At Operation Play Outdoors we do forest school within our own woodland, but we also do forest school throughout Scotland where we bring children out into the woods to experience the woodlands, trying lots of different activities from building fires, doing den building, using tools, having stories, trying some crafts. And it's all about them getting out, getting hands-on with nature and having a little bit of fun with their friends. So the benefits of coming along to forest school, the benefits of being outdoors, first things first is how good you feel for taking part, getting out in that fresh air and feeling all that extra oxygen hitting you. But aside from that, you've got all the social skills that you get from being at forest school. You're working with your friends, you're playing together, you're building together and enjoying being in nature.